For many decades, the California legislature drew the districts of their own members plus the state's congressional delegation. That's just the way it was. And then it got a little too blatant. Legislators were being so self-serving in how they drew those districts that the voters finally stepped in, and given the opportunity by a ballot measure, 2 ballot measures actually, they shifted the redistricting, the every 10 years chore of redistricting legislative and congressional districts from the legislature to an independent commission. And that commission did its work for the first time after the 2010 census and drew whole new districts that were placed in place for the 2012 and 2014 elections. But that might change. There's a court case pending before the Supreme Court. The Arizona legislature, dominated by Republicans, is challenging that state's independent redistricting commission, claiming that it's unconstitutional for anyone other than the legislature to draw congressional districts. The case has wound its way through the courts, is scheduled for argument before the U.S. Supreme Court, and if the Arizona legislature wins, it would mean that, probably mean anyway, that California's independent commission would lose its power to draw congressional districts. And that might mean a redistricting in the middle of the decade. That's got politicians scrambling. Who the legislature would do it? How would they do it? Who would win those seats? Who would get those seats? Who would be shuffled aside if the legislature redrew those boundaries? We don't know that it's going to happen. It could happen because it's uncharted legal territory, and the Supreme Court will tell us who gets to draw the districts of California's 53 congressional districts.